What's up guys? Okay, for today's vlog, may papanoorin tayong YouTube video kasi subscriber ako nitong channel na to. Project Nightfall. Okay? Ngayon nagpop up sa akin 5 minutes ago. Excuse me. Nagulat lang ako sa title na right now China has the most extreme COVID measures. Anong nangyayari? Akala ba natin wala nang Akala ba natin wala ng COVID? Okay? Bakit ganito? Okay? Yung tipong nananahimik yung ibang lugar, meron palang ganyang balita. Meron palang ganyang video. Panoorin nyo. Panoorin natin pala kasi hindi ko pa napanood din. So, tingnan natin kung ano ba ang nangyayari sa China ngayon. Ewan ko lang. Baka pagkatapos ng eleksyon. Isip-isip. Baka ako, ngayon maluwag-luwag. Nakakalabas lahat. Pero pagkatapos ng eleksyon, baka magsara yan. Hindi lang natin alam. Okay? Hindi lang natin alam. Kasi tingnan nyo to. Yung tipo bang hindi mo expect na nangyayari ba? Okay? So, panoorin natin guys kung ano tong na to. Itong video ni Project Nightfall.
It's unbelievable, but these are Chinese patients in 2022 who go through quarantine in boxes that almost look like coffins. This very moment, while your country is getting back to normal, I am about to show you by far the most extreme COVID measures that you have ever seen, where your every move is being watched even from the sky. This is the unbelievable way China is going through COVID in 2022.
你告诉我，超市不开门，我买什么？我吃什么？我喝什么？你把人逼死了！
Just look at this man who represents the current desperation of Chinese people.
有核酸有核酸，我工作证明有工作证明，我居住证明有居住证明，我怎么办？
People who are cracking under pressure, trapped in the world's strictest lockdown, all because of the mild variant Omicron in Shanghai City.
Samantalang yung ibang nakikita natin yung mga ibang lugar ngayon sa mga gaya nitong sa Saudi,
People
open
are so
na rin.
desperate for food, they have resorted to hoarding and looting, grabbing whatever supplies they can take home.
Nagkakagulo ng mga tao pala dito sa lugar na
There, the current situation is so bad that the quarantine centers resemble concentration
yung
camps.
quarantine center nila.
This place is absolutely disgusting.
Nasa loob na ng mga
very
building, tapos
So we don't know what's gonna happen.
It's so bad that even passengers are getting locked down inside buses. What would you do if this was happening in your country? If in 2022 things were so bad that your children would be forced
ito
to
siguro yung video
separate from you.
nag-leak
These
tong
poor
video na to.
people's
May
situation is
nagpalabas
so
ng video na
dire.
to
You'll
para
see patients being
panahon ba
dragged
naman
on the
ngayon, puro mga
streets.
social
It
media.
is so dire
naman
that
mga
it
tao.
resembles a dark science fiction movie.
Isipin nyo,
But
diba?
this is not a movie.
may mga tao na talaga na wala nang mask, wala
Most
na
of
lahat.
us
Tingnan
never
nyo to,
thought we
balot
would
na
go
balot
back
mga-
there again. Yet, somehow, this is people's reality in 2022.
Ito
And
talaga
no
nangyayari
matter
ngayon,
how much
2022
China tries to
March. Yan.
hide this dark reality,
Ay,
brave
April.
citizens will keep on leaking videos to expose the truth.
Kakagulo ng mga tao talaga.
And how could they not scream for help? Just look at this. Do not enter or leave Beijing without permission. Spies are among us, Leaks may
Tingnan
happen
yung
in an
mga
instant.
Signboard.
Watch your own mouth or face harsh punishment. These are signs on the streets. Do not express
signs sa
pandemic-related opinions online.
Seryoso,
And
ano ba na?
last but
Diba,
not
ingat-ingat
least,
din mga kabayan. Sinasabi ko sa inyo.
不要开窗隔场，此
Huwag
行为
kayong
有益
kampante talaga.
I tell you,
Paglabas-labas na ganyan,
nothing
naku.
sums up China right now as accurately as this line. And the reason we have to talk about this is because at many points, China was showing off to the world that it was the first to fully move on
nakikita
from
dati sa
COVID.
video,
They
yung
had
China
this
parang
massive pool
COVID-free
party,
na. Sila
basically
ang
a
namumuna
big
sa
look
ano,
how great
sa
we are compared
pagiging
to the
malayo
rest
sa
of the
COVID.
world show.
O ngayon 2020,
And
yung
yet,
2021.
somehow
Ngayon
now,
2022,
they
ano
have the
na?
most
Tingnan
unbelievable
nyo.
COVID measures we have ever seen.
Yung hindi mo expect na nangyari. Ano ba naman yan?
Let's send our good energy to the ordinary citizens of China who have to suffer. It is truly saddening that in 2022 they have to go through this dark reality.
Ingat din
The
talaga.
bad karma that got the Chinese
kampante.
government is not something regular people deserve.
Na may lagayan ng lagayan ng mga tao, parang yung quarantine nila sa box ng karton, coffin. Parang kabaong na eh. Kung Mariosep na ba nangyayari nito, uy. O di ba? Yan, hindi natin expect yan yung video na yan. Okay? Sa tingin nyo ba, sa ngayon na nagtatrabaho tayo, okay, nasa labas tayo, naisip ba natin na ganyan ang China ngayon? Sige nga. Kaya ikaw, ingat-ingat din. Huwag masyadong kampante talaga. Kung Mariosep, isipin mo yun, yung quarantine area nila doon. Tapos yung tao, nagsisigawan na, nangangailangan ng tulong. Tapos may lumilipad na drone na sasabihin na ano yun? Parang zombie place na yun eh. O tapos yung mga health worker naka-complete PPE. O samantalang dito, open na sa Saudi din ang hindi nagmamask. O kahit sang lugar ka man ngayon kabayan, mag-ingat ka pa rin. Huwag ka masyadong kampante talaga. Ingat-ingat din kayo. Okay, nakikita natin na open ngayon. Pero hindi lang natin alam, ito, yung nangyari sa hindi natin alam. Diyos ko. Kailan ba yung matatapos? Uy. Okay, so guys, panoorin nyo, tingnan nyo kung alam mo na ba yung video na yan o ako lang ba ang late na nakakita ng video na yan. Okay, so comment down below ka kung ano sa tingin mo. Pagkatapos ng election, ano mangyayari? Okay guys. Thank you for watching and then please don't forget, kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, and then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, okay? God bless everyone. Ingat po kayo lahat, ha? Keep safe everyone. God bless.